Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of office chair accessories with a review of what could be the best replacement chair casters out there. We're talking about the MaxGear 2 office chair wheels. If you're tired of your old office chair not rolling smoothly or damaging your floors, these might just be the solution you've been looking for. The MaxGear 2 office chair wheels are designed to fit almost any standard office chair with a 2-inch stem. They're made from premium rubber, which not only ensures durability but also provides a smooth and silent rolling experience. Perfect for hardwood, laminate, tile, or slate floors, these casters are built to protect your surfaces while offering effortless gliding. Let's talk about what sets these apart. First, they boast a heavy-duty design capable of supporting up to 300 pounds as a set of 5, making them ideal for most office chairs. The sturdy support brackets ensure long-lasting performance, promising years of reliable use without any issues. Installing these casters is a breeze. No tools are needed. Simply remove your old casters and snap these in place securely. It's a hassle-free upgrade that anyone can do within minutes. To wrap it up, if you're looking to enhance the mobility and durability of your office chair without breaking the bank, the MaxGear 2 office chair wheels are a fantastic choice. With their silent operation, sturdy build, and floor protection capabilities, they definitely stand out as one of the best replacements available. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time on Product Critique.